Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In this short video, I want to show you our integration into Prometheus to check whenever your system is not working as expected that your Prometheus metrics are actually catching this. And whenever I'm opening up the Prometheus extension, I can see that it actually provides the capability to list your Prometheus instances in Steadybit and then use a Prometheus metric check in an experiment. Let me show you how this looks like. So whenever I'm opening up the Steadybit platform and go to the Explorer targets table, I'm actually able to see the available Prometheus instances. In this case, it's a Prometheus deployed in the Kubernetes cluster. Whenever I'm in the experiment drag and drop editor, I can actually use the Prometheus metric check, like in this case over here, drag and drop it and place it into my scenario. And then I'm able to specify a Prometheus metric via a PromQL query that I want to check while I'm running the experiment. And when I'm opening up a past execution, I can see that below actually we are seeing the Prometheus metric, and in the end it was dropping to 0. And because I've specified the Prometheus metric check to fail whenever this happened, the overall experiment was marked as a failure. So make sure whenever you're using Prometheus to install the extension, you can simply do that by using the Helm chart and install it in your Kubernetes cluster, or you can use our Linux package whenever you don't have Kubernetes around. And whenever you are using Kubernetes, make sure that you're using our container, host, and Kubernetes extensions, which go hand in hand to support you the best possible way in a Kubernetes environment. Thanks for watching and take care.